famous bridge.
We are not crossing now. We are stopping here this side to see.
We can stop, yeah?
This side. Yes.
Perfect. I love it, we can stop. So we arrived to this famous bridge.
Proceed about 2 kilometers. Turn right.
We will stop a little bit, we will take some pictures and video, and after that we will cross the bridge. Let's get out from the car. So we arrived to the famous bridge, so I can show you from outside before we crossing it. Basically this is the place. Where we are now. And this is the bridge. This is the famous bridge, what everybody mention when they coming to Japan or Okinawa. Let's go a little bit here. We can go down. So I will go down and I will walk on the left side so I can film, I can record it from the distance. So this is the bridge from downstairs, doesn't matter, you guys understand me. Anyway, you know I'm a gringo. As you guys can see, this is the famous bridge and we will cross this bridge in a couple of minutes, so stay connected with us. This is the bridge. Really nice. I like it. It's crossing from one island to the other. So let's zoom it slowly. Okay, before I zoom it, I will show you slow moving on the right. Yes. So now we will zoom it. Let's see. So nice. And we will be on the bridge in a couple of minutes, so I think it will be really nice. Just for experience, you know. There is a small island. So dear friends, subscribers, we are here again on the road, on the streets, close to the water all the time, 24/7. Eating nice food, traveling around Okinawa, traveling around Japan. It's really nice. So this is the famous bridge. Now we have to return. I will return to the car and we will continue our journey, and I will record it from the car, how we cross the bridge, while we cross the bridge. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget, stay safe and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye from Okinawa.